is not just a celebration, it is a reflection of our journey, a showcase of talent, a promise of brighter tomorrows. So believe, focus, and achieve. Good morning and warm welcome to respected Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, esteemed guest Mrs. Neeta Rana, Principal of Colonel Scholars Academy, teachers, parents, students, and all my dear friends and colleagues. Greetings to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all on the occasion of Annual Day celebration of Hello Kids School. It is a special occasion to celebrate the year's hard work, talent, and spirit of togetherness. Today, we come together to celebrate the exceptional talent, hard work, and accomplishment of our students and honor the strong bond that brings our Hello Kids family together. So, let's embark on the unforgettable journey together. Saying goes, light removes darkness, knowledge removes ignorance. I invite our esteemed guest, Principal Ma'am and Director Sir, to kindly come on stage and inaugurate the year's annual day, guiding us towards wisdom. Please give a huge round of applause. The light of blessing and inaugurating this event. First of all, I want to do one humble request from the parents. Parents are requested not to take the photographs and the videos of the program, as videos and photographs will be provided to you. And one more humble request is, you are not allowed to take children before the program ends. Program will over after National Anthem. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Ganesha, the Sukh Karta, the Dukh Harta, prosperity, knowledge and new beginnings. His elephant head represents the power of mind, while his large ears signifies attentiveness. He is worshipped before important events to remove hurdles and ensure success. So please join us as we offer our heartfelt Vandana to Ganpati Bappa. Put your hands together to welcome children for Ganesh Vandana. And the name of the participants are...
Baba, side buddy, side buddy. Which one
Shana
there is a visionary leading that with heart and wisdom. In the garden of knowledge, our principal ma'am is the sun nurturing every bloom with care and warmth. With utmost respect and deep admiration, we now invite the pillar of an strength, the heartbeat of this school, our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Manika Thapa, to kindly come forward and bless us with your gracious presence.
तुर्ण महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. A very good morning to our honored guests, my fellow principals, prospective parents, teachers and my dear students. I take great pleasure in welcoming you all on the special occasion of Hello Kids Annual Day celebration. It feels just like yesterday when these little ones walked into our campus. Some with tears, some with smiles, and many with hesitation. And today, I see them dressed in vibrant color, eager to perform, curious and confident. At this age, education is not just about learning letters and numbers. It's about fostering creativity, independence, social skills in a safe and nurturing environment. And for this, I would like to thank our parents for trusting us with your children. Your partnership in their early learning journey is invaluable. At Hello Kids, we believe that early learning is the most important stage of life. Here we follow a child-centric approach in nurturing young minds by providing them vibrant and engaging environment. We follow thoughtfully designed curriculum which combine academic learning with play-based activities, moral values and life skills. To cater holistic development of children, we conduct balanced mix of academic and co-curricular activities, which includes celebrations of different festivals, important days, events, colors, seasons, dance, plays, and rides. For primary classes, we conduct various physical and mental growth activities such as brain gym, yoga poses, logical and problem-solving games, quiz, debate, and elocutions. We believe in bringing up children who are all-rounders, who can use all their five senses effectively by enjoying, exploring, and gaining new knowledge. The process of teaching is a cooperative endeavor where we work together to achieve common and meaningful learning goals. And in this journey, I would like to thank our director sir for his guidance and constant support. My deepest gratitude to our dedicated teachers and staff who have worked tirelessly to nurture the young minds. And a very big thanks to our parents for your unwavering support and for believing in our vision. Kudos to each and every student for stepping out of your comfort zone and practice for us to make the event memorable. Children, you are capable of achieving great things. So keep dreaming big, keep working hard, and keep showing kindness. As we move forward, we remain committed to providing quality education. I hope you all will enjoy the colorful and joyful performance of our children. Have a pleasant day. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Performances. Each act tonight is a blend of creativity, passion, and hard work. To dive into the world of pure imagination and boundless energy, our next performance are about to take us back to the most beautiful days of our lives, childhood, a time when the world was our playground, when we dreamt with open eyes and when we danced just for the joy of it. To bring back magic on stage, here are our listening to the beat of Bam Bam Bole, Masti Mein Dole. So put your hands together for our little stars.
पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नलकुले कहीं हम जैसे देखे ये जहां ऐसा ही चलो चलो मैं आप बोल
Of rhythm and pure happiness. Happiness is a perfume you cannot pour on others without getting a few drops on yourself. Our next performance is all about spreading happiness and joy. So get ready to tap your feet, smile and feel the happiness with our cute little tiny tots of playgroup. Let's welcome them on stage with a huge round of applause. And the name of that team, I'm so happy, sing with me. Na, 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 I'm so happy, sing with me. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, are going to take us back to that magical world. So buckle up everyone, it's time to get colorful and noisy. Put your hands together and welcome our nursery kids to perform on Doraemon and Chota Bheem song. Yashashvi, Tashvik, Bhairav, Janshi, Angad, Athar, Bhadya. Round of applause for our talented performers.
Our children are also moving forward every day, learning new things, gaining confidence, and growing brighter with each step. So, let us clap loudly and encourage our little passenger of playgroup class as they take us to this fun musical ride. Let us warmly welcome our participants of playgroup class on stage and let us enjoy this fun musical ride with them. So, the name of the
On the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go where, 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 where. The babies on the bus go where, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go. The mommies on the bus go all through the town. The daddies on the bus go. I love you. I love you. I love you. The daddies on the bus go. I love you. All through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
The wheels on the bus may stop here, but the fun.
Often we live our lives in comfort, forgetting the immense sacrifice made by our brave soldiers at the border. They are away from their families, their mothers, and their homes, just so we can sleep peacefully. This next performance is not just a dance, it is a heartfelt tribute to those heroes who are the real superheroes of the real life. वतन की खुशबू से महकते हैं हम, इस भूमि पे जन्म लिया है हमने, हमारे दिल में है देशभक्ति का जज्बा, हमेशा यही प्यार रहेगा इससे। आओ झुकाकर सलाम करें उनको, जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आते हैं। खुश नसीब होते हैं वो खून जो देश के काम आते हैं।
संधि से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये दिल सोना सुना है। संधि से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे।
safe. Let us take a moment to applaud not only for the kids, but sometime for the parents also. So it's time for our parents to get ready for some masti. Let's have some fun with some riddles and tongue twisters. So parents, are you ready? No answers? Parents, are you ready? Yes! That's good. So, first tongue twister is Kala Kabutar Safed Tarboos. Kala Tarboos Safed Kabutar. Yes.
सफेद कबूतर सफेद तरबूज काला कबूतर काला कबूतर सफेद तरबूज काला कबूतर काला कबूतर सफेद तरबूज काला कबूतर
रस्सी कूद कूद मत गिर पड़। अब कूद रस्सी रस्सी कूद कूद मत गिर पड़।
रस्सी कूद कूद मत गिर पड़। अब कूद रस्सी रस्सी कूद कूद मत गिर पड़। अब कूद रस्सी रस्सी कूद कूद मत गिर पड़।
Thank you so much, ma'am.
अब कूद रस्सी रस्सी मत कूद अब गिर पड़। अब कूद रस्सी रस्सी मत कूद अब गिर पड़। मत कूद रस्सी रस्सी अब कूद रस्सी रस्सी मत कूद अब
Try. Fred fed, Ted fed, Fred bread. Holds water. What kind of cup does not hold water? It's hold cup. No, ma'am. Sorry, wrong answer. I think it's hiccup. Sorry? Hiccup. No. No, ma'am.
Mobile phone.
Right answer. Mobile phone. Parents don't third without being questioned.
Doorbell.
It's the right answer. Doorbell. Be written as same. What four letter can be written as same, forward and backward, as well as upside down? It's noon. Yeah. N-O-O-N, noon. Yeah, noon is the right answer. Okay, the next one. What has many keys but cannot unlock a single door? What has many keys but cannot unlock the door? Not keyboard. Lock. It's piano. Yeah, piano is the right answer. It's piano. Okay. पंख नहीं है पर उड़ती हूँ, हाथ नहीं है पर लड़ती हूँ। पंख नहीं है पर उड़ती हूँ, हाथ नहीं है पर लड़ती हूँ। Yes, it's kite. पतंग. Okay, the next one is तीन अक्षर का मेरा नाम, उल्टा सीधा एक समान।
Ma'am, you want to try?
आगे से सेम तीन
जहाज.
Yes.
It can be. Okay, Jahaj and Dada is the right answer. Okay, thank you so much, parents. It was a great fun with you all. Thank you so much.
Of religion dances from Uttarakhand, Nepal and Rajasthan. India and Nepal are full of rich culture, colorful costumes, energetic music. From the graceful moves of the Uttarakhand folk dance to the lively and the joyful Nepali dance and the vibrant royal spirit of Rajasthan. Each performance shows the beauty of our tradition. These dances are not just a step, So let us put your hands together for the students of primary class to come on the stage and showcase the culture of Garhwal, Rajasthan and Nepal. The name of the participants are
सरसराती हवा ठंडो पानी पक गए बेड़ू का फल की दानी देवताओं का निवास है उत्तराखंड प्यार सत्कार और संस्कार है उत्तराखंड ढोल दमों की थाप मसक मीन की छाप है उत्तराखंड होली न्योली नख की नथुली रंगीली पिछौड़ी उत्तराखंड पहचावी छमा छम हुड़का खमा खम ऐसा हमारा उत्तराखंड ऐसा हमारा उत्तराखंड
अरे बार नाम बैरागी धोनी सोरे नाम संन्यास धोनी तो ऊंचा कपिला जो बोली ओली हाजी हाँ राजू की मारूड़ी कोई
जी मन दीद करावो जी अरे क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी हरी शरारत सब जाऊं मैं तो हरी पर चले उन्हें भंगा जी मैं कर लगे मैं उड़ में जागी हो कहीं चंदा में भारी चांदनी पर दामन में बात एक सी झुम 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 ओ मैं उड़ में जागी हो कहीं चंदा में भारी चांदनी पर दामन में बात एक सी झुम 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 झुम
Girls, sit down. That a positive mind creates a positive life. The atmosphere is electric. The faces are smiling. It is a day to feel alive, to dance and to celebrate. Our next performance are ready to bring the sunshine onto the stage. So get ready to shake off any gloom because it's a beautiful day. Please welcome class LKG with a huge round of applause to perform on It's a Beautiful Day. And the name of जेब में। इस गीत का भाव सिर्फ संगीत का आनंद ही नहीं बल्कि यह हमें सब पर देखने और उन्हें सच करने की प्रेरणा भी देता है। यह गीत हमें यह भी सिखाता है कि जीवन में खुश रहने के लिए हमें छोटे छोटे पलों का आनंद लेना चाहिए।
जैसे चांद और तारों की खूबसूरती केवल देखने से ही नहीं, महसूस करने से भी बढ़ती है, वैसे ही हमारी खुशियां भी छोटे छोटे कामों में छिपी होती है। चांद तारे जेब में हमें यह याद दिलाता है कि हमें अपने ऊपर विश्वास और अपनी मेहनत पर भरोसा रखना चाहिए। अगर हम पूरी लगन और सच्चाई से काम करें तो हमारे सपनों का आकाश भी हमारे कदमों में होगा। तो हमारे यूकेजी के बच्चे तैयार है अपनी छोटी छोटी जेबों में चांद तारे भरने के लिए। कृपया जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए हमारे यूकेजी के बच्चों का।
Any parents interested for the theme card? Some questions are there. What was your favorite moment of your child performance today? Any parents wants to say something? Yes, ma'am.
First of all, I want to say thanks to all the teachers and principal ma'am and hello kids. And I'm really very glad to see my son on the stage. I'm really very happy, and his grandmother is also very happy to see his performance. We are very happy.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That really means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you, Principal Ma'am, and all the teachers. It's a very happy day for me. My both daughter are perfect there, and I have so many questions before the admission of Hello Kids, and I have so many things on that time. But now you can fill, and I'm really happy for that. And I speak less, and I'm a little bit, nervous, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. That really means a lot to us. Thank you so much. Anyone else?
What feedback should I give to this moment? Like, I was very happy to see my Janshi on the stage. So thank you, ma'am. This school has given lot love and care to my Janshi. Thank you so much to Ranjana, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Say something. How do you feel, Shivansh, watching first time on the stage?
Shivansh, up to you, ma'am. जो अभी देख रहा हूँ मैं अपने बच्चे को, इज वेरी गुड, और ये भी इसका फर्स्ट ईयर है स्कूल में, और आगे भी अच्छा करेगा मैम ये, और ये आपका सपोर्ट है, मैम का सपोर्ट है, प्रिंसिपल का सपोर्ट है. थैंक यू फॉर दैट. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, sir. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. How do you feel your child watching on stage for the first time?
It was a very happy moment for me. For the first time she's performing, she got a bit nervous also. But I just gave a flying kiss to her and she was smiling. She was about to cry actually. So that was very overwhelming for me actually. And I would really like to thank you, Abha ma'am. She has put so much of efforts. Performance was very nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am, Ranjana ma'am. You know, विराज कितना नॉटी है, but आपने उसे बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल करा हुआ है. आज विराज का फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस था स्टेज पे, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि विराज ने इतना अच्छा करा. मैं बहुत नर्वस होती, मेरे को रोना आ रहा था अपने बच्चे को देख के. एंड थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू हेलो किड्स स्कूल. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That great.
थैंक यू मैम आप सबका. आप सबने मतलब सिर्फ हमारे बच्चों को नहीं, इतने सारे बच्चों को इतने टाइम तक उनको देखना, और जब बच्चे स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करते हैं जब उसका फर्स्ट था तो मेरे भी आंखों से आंसू आए थे. और मुझे पता है आज जितने बच्चों के पेरेंट्स यहाँ पर मतलब जिनके बच्चे फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस होगी ना सबके आंखें नम होगी.
Yes, ma'am.
और आप लोग का बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप सब बच्चों को इतना सब प्यार से हैंडल करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Anyone to say more?
Hello, principal ma'am, thank you. And ma'am, teachers, thank you. मैं आज ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि जब से हमारा पौधा यहाँ हेलो किड्स में पढ़ता है तब से बहुत अच्छा मैं प्रोग्राम करा रही है. मैं बहुत खुशी हूँ. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Everyone, thanks to all, and first of all thanks to principal ma'am and Ranjana ma'am, because my Shreyani, I'm my daughter, he has been a part of 4 months. 4 महीने ही हुए हैं मुझे एडमिशन लिए थे, but we are so happy to see today I am standing here my part is school because my child is progressing not on academic. She is a very kindness, love, supporting, kindness. So I'm so glad. So special thanks to Ranjana ma'am. She supports my daughter too much. I am very happy to see my child performing on the stage, and I'm so emotions feeling too much. Thanks to ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Sir.
First of all, thank you, ma'am. I remember that day when I bring Aisha to Hello Kids. and
She was kind of
and today, by watching her performance, it was so emotional and happy with me. But today, as Principal Ma'am said earlier, these classes are more about learning ABC, alphabets, numbers. It's also about learning how to share, build confidence and courage. And by watching the performance of my daughter, it is looking that she building her confidence and courage. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And most important, your support you put in on your child. Words cannot express my appreciation, so please give a huge round of applause for yourself. Thank you so much, parents. Your words really means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
कि पेड़ रोते हैं? क्या पेड़ रोते हैं? हाँ, पेड़ मनुष्य की तरह भावनात्मक रूप से नहीं रोते, पर यह एक जैविक प्रक्रिया है। पेड़ पौधे तनाव, प्यास या कटने जैसे शारीरिक क्षति पर रोते हैं। यह रोना इंसानी आंसू नहीं, बल्कि आवाजें हैं जो वे कटने या पानी की कमी महसूस होने पर निकालते हैं। शोध के अनुसार तनावग्रस्त पौधे प्रति घंटा लगभग 35 बार ऐसी ध्वनियां उत्पन्न कर सकते हैं, जो हम इंसानों को नहीं किंतु जानवरों को भी सुनाई देती है। यह तो थी पेड़ों की बोलने की बात। यहाँ बच्चे पेड़ों के बारे में क्या कल्पना करते हैं? वह एक छोटी सी कहानी और कविता के द्वारा दर्शाया गया है। यह कविता दिल को छू लेने वाली बच्चों की कविता है, जो कल्पना, प्रकृति और उस सरल आश्चर्य का जश्न मनाती है।
I am Mother Earth. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful forest where all the animals lived in perfect harmony with nature. The forest was filled with tall trees, vibrant flowers, and pure fresh air. As time passed, humans began cutting down trees, polluting the air and water, and destroying the natural habitats. The Mother Earth, once vibrant, is now wounded, exhausted, and mourning the destruction of her beautiful earth. She bears the pain and silently watching her gifts being ravished for profit. Yet, still offering love while hoping for restoration. The earth is not dead yet, but urgently need care, love, and protection to survive. Now, the Mother Earth decided to take action herself. On World Environment Day, she planted a tree. The sun, the water, and the air help the tree to grow.
Desi spirit. He did not just dance, he brought a swagger that made the audience cheer. Today, our children will take inspiration from the legendary He-Man Dharmendra, whose dance was never about technical steps, but about Desi swag and raw energy that set the stage on fire. We are not just paying tribute to the star, but a passion that will never fade. Our next performance will take you back to the golden era of Bollywood, echoing the charm of Dharam Paji. So please put your hands together to welcome children.
ये बड़ी दुख भरी कहानी है। इस स्टोरी में इमोशन है, ड्रामा है, ट्रेजेडी है।
महबूबा 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 मुझे जाना है तो जा, तेरी मर्जी मेरा क्या। पर देख तू जरूर कर चली जाएगी, मेरे साथ भी मेरे मर्जी की खबर जाएगी। ओ मेरी महबूबा 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 मुझे जाना है तो जा, तेरी मर्जी मेरा क्या।
हमको मिटा सकेगी जमाने में कम नहीं, हमसे जमाना खुद है जमाने से कम नहीं।
Hey!
करना ही कर्म है। जब हम किसी कार्य, संघर्ष या क्रांति की शुरुआत बहुत जोरदार या सकारात्मक तरीके से करते हैं तो उसका परिणाम भी महान ही होता है। हमारे बच्चे भी अपनी अगली प्रस्तुति में पूरे जोश से अपने डर और संकोच को त्याग कर अन्याय के विरुद्ध खड़े होने का संदेश देते हैं। Now please welcome our participants on stage. So the name of the participants.
ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
वर्धन करें।
Possibility of miracle. As we close this chapter, we open another, filled with new possibilities and new dreams. So keep hoping for the best and keep shining. Last but not the least, thank you so much for being such a wonderful audience. A big thanks to each one of you who made this annual day celebration a memorable moment for all of us. On behalf of Fellow Kids School, let me thank all the students who are working so hard to make this event joyful with their impressive performances. Without them, this event would not have been possible. Sincere thanks to our esteemed chief guest for blessing us with your gracious presence. Special thanks to our principal ma'am for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as a pillar of strength. Big thanks to our director sir who contributed to make this event a great success. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teachers for their untiring efforts. Sincere gratitude to all the parents for giving their precious time, support and encouragement. Make this event happen. Thank you all for your cooperation and motivation. Thank you so much. Audience are requested to